Hello guys, good day and welcome to Archinews. I'm Architect Jojo. Tonight we're here in the open house Thanksgiving here in UAP National Headquarters. Tonight, we're here dito sa launching ng inclusive or accessibility design or coffee table book ng Committee on Accessibility ng UAP. So with me is Architect Justin Francisco. He's the chair of Committee on Accessibility. Interviewin natin siya and let's know about this project. Kasama ko ngayon si Architect Justin. Let's hear more about this project.
So here we are soft launching our book, coffee table book.
Yan,
entitled Inclusive
Accessibility
Design Coffee Table Book by UAP Committee on Accessibility, fiscal year 2022-2023.
Wow, that's good.
So in yung front, this is just the mock-up, no?
Yeah.
Mock-up lang. No? And here, pag dito makikita natin, ito yung konting teaser nung naman ng book. Ayan, ito. Tapos ito naman yung makikita nyo, meron tayong mga isometric architectural details and design all about the accessibility to help and promote the accessibility in the Philippines.
So anong main objective nito? Why we are promoting the accessibility? Ano bang naitutulong nito?
Usually kasi hindi siya lagi siyang natitake for granted yung accessibility, no? And it is very important for us to be, as designers, to be inclusive, not only with hindi yung mga persons na walang disability, no? But also with persons with disability. So we should include them and we should be inclusive with our designs.
Yeah, that's great.
Here are just the some of the highlights ng DP 344. So Batas Pambansa 344 na accessibility law.
Yeah.
So here nilalagay naman namin for guidelines ng mga architects, and syempre maganda mga graphics natin, perspectives, and
yeah. So dito, Architect Justin, no, nakita ko, no, dito sa walkway, no, merong mga signages ng ng accessibility, no. And also dito rin sa toilet. And even itong ramp, no. So meron siyang mga designated na kung saan meron access yung mga, of course, siyempre yung mga disabled person, no, para makalakad sila o meron silang magandang mobility kapag sila ay naka-wheelchair, no. So
yes.
Yeah.
Kasi persons with disabilities are just like us people, and they should be contributing to the society. So
Yeah.
for to give them opportunity to contribute sa society, we should design structures that is accessible to them. That is how we design inclusive spaces. So here, other than the soft launching of our book,
yeah, tingnan pa natin. Marami kayong naka-display.
Dito.
Yeah.
Itong mga exhibit na to is from UIA.
Oh.
Architecture for All. So these are the awards awarded and winners ng UIA Architecture for All Friendly and Inclusive Spaces Awards 2023. So these are the entries and winners all over the world. So this
galing
actually this was actually first exhibited in Copenhagen and now is in Philippines.
Wow.
So we coordinated in UIA and they said yes na okay, sige, exhibit natin yan.
So this is the first time na nagkaroon ng launching dito sa UAP?
Yes.
Wow.
So ito, hindi ito mga proposal, no? These are actually built structures. So it's actually should be built already.
Yes.
In a proposal. So here we can actually see na talagang meron mga nag-exist na structures that is accessible and friendly.
Yes.
For all.
Alright, so ito pa yung iba, no? Dito guys, yan. Ito yung mga existing historic building.
So public and open spaces.
So hanggang kailan ang exhibit na to, Architect Justin?
Until July 4. So tonight it's June 28. So tomorrow by Saturday we will be exhibiting, transferring this exhibit sa ground floor.
Yan,
So
okay.
until July 4 siya.
So guys, until July 4 yung exhibit nito about dito sa accessibility. So why not visit the UAP headquarters dito sa Scout Rallios and come and see itong project na to is napakahalaga no nung accessibility no when it comes to mobility, lalo na yung ating mga disabled person, para at least maging normal yung mobility nila no, hindi sila hirap sa hagdanan, sa mga ramps, sa toilet and everything. So itong project na to, itong Committee on Accessibility, itong for this fiscal year, ang ating chair si Architect Justin Francisco. So ang laki ng vision niya no for this project, for the good and for the mobility ng ating mga disabled person, para maging normal yung ano nila, yung paglalakad nila sa kalye, sa mga public places. So napakahalaga na mabigyan natin ng pansin or tuon itong ating mga disabled person. Alright guys, so until here, and I hope na makabisit kayo dito sa UAP headquarters para makita nyo yung actual exhibit, and you have to see to it, you have to check and also ma-involve din kayo dito sa project na to. Alright guys, so until here, I'm Architect Jojo Golpeo. With me is Architect Justin Francisco, the committee or the chair for the Committee on Accessibility Law. See you again, and sa mga susunod na mga videos, please do like, subscribe, and follow me para lagi kang updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko. Again, I'm Architect Jojo Golpeo, joyfully sharing with you what Archi knows. Thank you very much and God bless you all.